In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Gmail AI Inbox. If you want a more basic Gmail experience and would rather disable some of the smart or AI-powered features, this is a quick setting you can change directly from your Gmail account on a computer. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your account type or Google's latest interface, but the overall process is the same. Start by opening Gmail on your computer and make sure you're on your inbox screen. Once Gmail has loaded, look to the upper right corner and click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This opens the quick settings panel. From there, click see all settings. That will take you into Gmail's full settings menu where you'll have access to more detailed options than what appears in the side panel. Once you're in the full settings area, stay in or switch to the general tab. This is where Gmail places many of its core preferences, including the smart feature settings we need for this tutorial. Now scroll through the General tab and look for a section labeled Google Workspace Smart Features or simply Smart Features. Depending on your Gmail version, you may see one or both of these labels. This section controls features that use your data to provide suggestions, automation, and personalized assistance inside Gmail and other Google services. When you find that section, turn off the options related to Smart Features in Google Workspace. Also, turn off smart features in Gmail if that option appears separately. In some accounts, you may also see an option for personalization of smart features. If it's shown, turn that off as well. Disabling these settings helps reduce the AI-based assistance in your inbox, including certain automated suggestions and personalized smart tools. Keep in mind that after turning these off, some helpful features you may be used to could disappear or become less active. So just be aware of that before saving. After you've turned off the relevant options, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail may refresh or reload your inbox once the changes are applied, and that's completely normal. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Gmail AI inbox-related smart features. If the labels look a little different on your screen, just focus on any setting that mentions smart features, workspace smart features, or personalization, and disable those before saving.